keep on getting the one-off offer to come back into movies.
ये कौन है?
Je m'appelle NEELAM.
NEELAM.
Hi New Jersey, I'm NEELAM KOTHARI Soni and I will be the guest of honor for Miss Bharat USA 2024 pageant and the Woman Icon of the Year award on December 8th. I will crown the winner and present awards to strong ladies of the community. Thank you Rashmi and Bedi. Can't wait to meet you all. Looking forward. Bye.
मैं से मीना से न साकी से, मैं से मीना से न साकी से, न पैमाने से दिल बहलता है मेरा आपके आ जाने से, आपके आ जाने से, आपके आ जाने से, आपके आ जाने से, आपके।
He's a gentleman over there.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Listen, he's stalking me. He's following us. I think it's a little scary.
Oh my god.